Welcome back to Lab Cyber. Now, first of all, my apologies for being a bit late to this story. I should have made a video yesterday. I was busy, but it turns out that Instagram got hacked a few days ago in a ridiculously easy fashion. Now, to be honest with you, I don't even know if we can call this a hack necessarily, because traditionally, when you say a platform got hacked or a company got hacked, it usually involves some level of technical expertise. Maybe malware was involved, maybe it was a phishing campaign, something of that nature. In this very specific case of Instagram getting hacked, it was a very simple, polite conversation between the hackers and the AI chatbot, the support assistant for Instagram. Now, the origins of this hack actually begins back in March of this year. This was the official statement from Meta, and they said, making it easier to access account support on Facebook and Instagram. And then down here, updated on March 19th, 2026, they say, today we're rolling out the Meta AI support assistant in countries and territories where Meta AI is currently available on the Facebook and Instagram apps for iOS and Android. And then down here, they say, when you have an account issue, you need a solution, not just a suggestion. Okay. The new Meta AI support assistant is designed to help resolve account problems for you from start to finish. And then they go on to say, hey, if you have any sort of issues with, your privacy settings, maybe you need to reset your passwords, you want to report a scam, you want to know why your content was taken down, basically anything involving your account, you can count on this AI support assistant for not just a suggestion, but rather a solution. Okay. It turns out that the people over at Meta, when they were handing over all this power to this AI support assistant, they didn't think to check whether or not this same AI support assistant can be fooled into giving access to hackers, because that's exactly what happened. Now, the actual story for this hack comes from TechCrunch, and they say here that over the weekend, several users on Reddit claimed that their Instagram accounts had been compromised. The compromised accounts include the Instagram handle for the Obama-era White House, which appears to have been inactive since 2017, and the account of the U.S. Space Forces Chief Master Sergeant John Bentivegna. Now, how exactly did these hackers fool this AI chatbot? Basically, what they did here was they started the conversation with the AI chatbot, claiming to be the owners of the accounts they were trying to gain access to. They then said that, look, we're trying to associate a new email account with this Instagram account. Now, the AI chatbot said, oh, okay, what is this new email address you're trying to add to your account? The hackers provided their own email address to the AI chatbot. The AI chatbot then sent a verification code to the email address of the hackers, asking them to provide the code. The hackers obviously gave the verification code back to the AI chatbot, and then the AI chatbot said, oh, okay, I'll verify the code. Here you go. Here is access to the account. That's basically what happened here. I kid you not. That's exactly what happened. There was no high-level hack here, no phishing, nothing of the sort. Just a very simple, polite conversation between the hackers and the AI chatbot. The hacker said, hey, I'm the owner of this account. I'm trying to associate a new email address to this account. Help me out. And the chatbot said, okay, here you go. Here's everything you need to do. Now, obviously, the AI support chatbot, this AI assistant, should have verified, first of all, that these hackers were actually the owners of the account they were trying to gain access to in the first place before helping to add this new email address they were trying to attach to the account. And it's kind of ridiculous how a company as massive as Meta, a company worth hundreds of billions of dollars at this point, it's kind of ridiculous how they didn't think to test this AI support assistant properly before rolling it out. Now, it turns out, in fact, that the only reason why people even found out about this hack was because the hackers themselves were sharing the video online. The video is still available on X. If you were to go to Dark Web Informer, you will see the video right here. So the only reason why Meta even found out about this hack was because the hackers themselves were exposing how ridiculously easy it was for them to fool the AI support assistant. And in fact, the only technical thing that the hackers did in this case was they used a VPN to spoof the supposed location of the owners of the accounts they were trying to gain access to. Like, for example, in the case of the US Space Forces Chief Master Sergeant, obviously, common sense will dictate that this person would be located in the US. So when they're trying to gain access to this very specific account, they used a VPN to, pretend to be located physically in the US. That's basically the only thing that they did here that could be regarded to be, technical. Every other thing was simply a conversation, a very polite conversation between themselves and the AI chatbot, and that's basically what happened. Ridiculously, stupidly easy. And again, it's amazing how Meta did not properly test this AI support assistant before rolling it out. Now, you would think, of course, if you're going to give all this power to this AI support assistant, make sure it is foolproof. Make sure that it cannot be fooled so easily. The funniest part of this whole story was that the affected users, when they found out that their account had been hijacked, had been hacked by these hackers, they couldn't gain access to any human support because, again, Meta had rolled out all the support to this same AI chatbot that had just been fooled in the first place. It's just a clown show, man. It really is a clown show. So, Update Meta have, of course, said that they fixed the issue and that the AI support chatbot can no longer be fooled in the exact same manner. But the fact that it happened in the first place, it's ridiculous. So that's just it. A very, very short story for today. And yeah, that's it. So let me know what your thoughts are. Do you use Instagram? I do use Instagram. And what do you think about the story? If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with anyone who may feel might benefit from it. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I cover stories around the world of AI and cybersecurity. So if you do enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.